What's up? I'm Dakota with Best Choice Products, and today we're putting our 36-inch large kitchen island bar cart to the test. Also, if I didn't mention, I'm a vegetarian. Don't eat this stuff, so we're gonna really also put me to the test too. Got plenty of space. I can move this over here, I can move this over there. Got 2 drawers over here. Large space down on the bottom. These are all of our spices. If you ever are like, oh my gosh, I can't reach that. Isn't that cool? So we've got our whole spacious storage down there. If you really needed to be mobile and making breakfast, perfect. I'm gonna kind of wait till it gets a little bit hot. We're gonna crack this open here. This is 100% pure vegetable oil. So I'm gonna get this in there, and then I'm gonna just pour a bunch of that buttermilk in there. So I'm gonna just kind of mix all this stuff together. Moment of truth, 1 in. That actually looks pretty good. So I think we should just kind of take a couple out. We're gonna call this some nice, crispy, pretty much done fried chicken. It looks like fried chicken, I would say, right? So we used our cast iron oval Dutch oven and our mobile island kitchen bar cart. This is the larger one. Make sure to check it out and get yours today at Best Choice Products.